What if I told you that the way you're spending your time right now could either build your future empire or bankrupt it before it even starts? Because here's the truth. Most people waste their teens and 20s chasing approval, trends, and entertainment, then spend their 30s chasing money they could have already had. Earn young, prosper later, why now matters more than ever? Let's be real. If you're under 25, broke, and just figuring life out, you're not alone. In fact, society expects that. But here's a secret no one tells you in school. Money loves speed, not the kind that makes you reckless, but the kind that values early momentum. The earlier you start building your money mindset, the longer your money has time to compound, grow, and work for you. And no, I'm not saying become a billionaire at 16. I'm saying earn something, learn from it, and repeat. Because money earned young isn't just income, it's information, confidence, and leverage. Let's break this down. Why should you even care about making money early? Time is your superpower. If you start investing just $100 a month at 18 and your friend starts at 28, guess who will have double their money by 60? Yep, you. Why? Because compound growth isn't magic, it's math. And time is the biggest variable. The stakes are cheaper when you're young. Start a side hustle at 17 and fail. You lose a few months, start at 35 with a family and mortgage. The cost is 10 times higher. Confidence comes from competence.